Hey, it's Brandon. Welcome back to another video here on the MSC MERAVIGLIA. I'm in my room now, 12226, and you can see we're still in Port Canaveral. Let's take a look at the room. Very cool. All right, we got some treats left this time. What do we got here? Some chocolate. By the way, I think, yeah, pretty sure these are made right on board. And we have some champagne on ice. Very nice. And let's see, we got something else over here that I don't recognize. This is the med room diffuser. Let's head into the bathroom. All right. Pretty awesome. If you have any questions about the room, let me know. All right, let's head down to the casino and play some cards. All right, we're getting things started here. X-Man is our dealer on the MSC MERAVIGLIA, and we have 1,600 in black, 17, 18, 25, and 100 in reds for the side bets. Let's look at those payouts on the dream pairs. That's right here. These aces, we want same suit of aces, 50 to 1. So 16, 17, 18, right? 15, 16, 18, 18, 25 we're starting with. 1825 or 1925? Why can't I remember that? There's 16, 17, 18, 1925. That's our buy-in here, 1925. We carried this over from a previous session. And we're gonna go 50 on 2. You know what? We got a little bigger stack here. We're gonna go 75 on 2.
Feeling lucky, my man.
I am feeling lucky. I feel like this is gonna be a good one. I feel like it's gonna be a good one.
Break a leg. Bending one card, sir. And there we go. Okay.
33.
Wow.
Easy game.
Start for you.
Easy game, 10 to 1.
So that's gonna be 10 to 1. It's gonna be $50. Congratulations for the same color. No surrenders. Card of 6.
Hit that, yep.
16. Card of 16. Too many. Okay. 11. Would you like to
Double?
Doubling one card. 11. 15.
Okay.
Not too shabby. Beautiful. Well done.
All right, so we'll go 100, 100. We'll play 100 in these side bets.
Over there.
There we go.
No surrenders. 14, sir. 16. Too many.
Oh. All right, maybe it's a 10 now. Maybe it's a 10.
Doubling one card only. 18. 18.
Okay.
It's a push in the bush.
Push in the bush.
Push in the bush. All right. Let's try again. 18 or 8. 21. Beautiful. 13. 14. Too many.
Okay. Push
Just
in the
for
bush.
The one that got away. Now you win, my man. You win.
Push in the bush.
Very nice.
All right, here we
Very
go.
nice.
Good on both.
No card at 18 and 20.
Yeah,
No more
good.
cards. 17. Chicken dinner for you.
All right, so we're running out of time because we have May 7th. We're heading up to New York City. This ship, the MSC MERAVIGLIA. And if you are a gambler, take a look at that link below with You Are Comped. If you're getting free rooms or if you're getting free play or free food, we're gonna stand both. If you're getting offers from your casinos, make sure you sign up for You Are Comped because you can sail anywhere. We'd love for you to sail with us. And that New York sailing on May 7th is very special. Not only is it the first one out of New York, but it's also going to have a $50,000 slot tournament for our VIPs that you can be a part of. It does not cost anything. So take a look at that link and get signed up and join me on that cruise. I think this is a double. This is an in and out double.
Double OB. Double BOB. 19. No card. Doubling one card.
Yeah,
Here.
I think we're
17.
okay.
No,
I like my
shabby.
chances. Oh no.
14,
Yep.
20. Ay, what happened? What was it me? Let's try again.
That's
sir.
okay, man.
Sometimes.
Let's start with 75. One hand, yeah.
Sorry. Good move. 20.
Push in the bush.
Push in the bush. You know, my man. That's the story. You know the story. 15. No color 15. Too many.
I need to put that on a T-shirt.
Oh,
Brandon O'Brien, YouTube, Facebook, pushing the bush on the back, and then X-Man.
Yeah, mommy.
We're good. Yeah.
Would you like to play insurance? No insurance.
By the way, I don't have any merchandise yet, but we have a ton of ideas.
All right, 15, 15, 16, 18. This is for the ones that got away.
The one that I like is we were playing Dream 21. I was winning over there, and the T-shirt idea was I put my kids through college playing Dream 21. All right.
Very nice. 17. 13, 17.
Okay, we take that.
Push in the bush. Almost beautiful, almost beautiful. Cross card 17, no card 17, 12, 21. What is happening, my man?
All right, so we bought in for 1925. Let's do an impulse $300 bet.
You're still in it.
$300 bet, 25 on the cider. 99. Ooh, I'm taking one. No hesitation. 90.
No! Yeah, what is
No 10 under there. No 10. Damn it.
Man,
You know what that calls for? A $400 bet with a 25. This is chasing your loss. Don't ever do this.
All right. Sir, no card on 12.
No.
Card. Thank you. 20. Really?
Take.
It's not over. It's not over. It's only renew.
All right. $500 bet.
Go big.
I need 2 in a row. Is what I need. There it is. 19. I need 2 in a row. I'm gonna bet 500 again. Good. 19 and we're good. Perfect. Okay.
Bravo,
One more.
Bravo. Congratulations.
One more hand. One more hand. Come on. Come on. 10. That works. 25.
What is this, man? 20.
I'm tilted, guys.
It's not over.
We've seen this before.
It's not over. 6
Oh,
or
Christ.
16.
I'm just hitting. No double.
17 or 7. 12.
I'm taking one.
13.
No more. No, I surrender.
No more.
No more. Yeah, I'm good. No. Oh, wouldn't have mattered.
Either way.
Oh
Doesn't
God.
matter.
I don't know what to do now. I only have 200, 300. I have about almost 400.
395.
Yeah. 395. Yeah.
It's
Okay.
not over. It's
Let's
not over.
let's go 10 there.
You just need a dream pair. Insurance? No insurance?
No.
It's a blackjack, so.
All right. Let's see what we got. All right. 10 on the dream pair. We got 1, 2, 75.
This is the one. This should be the one for you. This should be a comeback. This should be a comeback. That's gonna be 275. 275 for you, sir. You go again?
Yeah.
Wow! Pass, dream pass.
That's okay.
Dream pass.
It would have been 10. It would only been 10 to 1 there.
10 to 1.
All right. So you don't have blackjack, do you?
No blackjack.
Okay. So this is what I have left. I have 275. I got enough.
Yeah, enough to split.
Yeah.
Splitting the aces, one
Yeah.
card each on.
Yeah. We just need. Well,
Break a leg.
how about
card
110 and 19? How about that?
each. Let's see.
110 and 19.
Let's see.
All right. Well, that's fine.
It's money back guarantee.
That's fine.
21 and 20.
That's fine.
Not bad.
That's fine.
Not bad. No perfect.
Hey, dude, what's up?
The pairs again. Like a card on 4. 5 for 15.
Give me a 5.
15. 19.
That's a win. That's a win.
Well played, my man. Well played.
That's a baby.
275. You see, I want to see you playing pairs, my man. I'm trying to put you in the game, for the pairs.
I know, but I wouldn't have been betting a whole lot there. All right, we're gonna let that ride.
I don't want to miss those pairs.
Oh no.
15. Talk to me, surrender.
We have 4.
Ay, yeah. What happened? How did we get here? Look at the 14 over cost 14, 17. Really? That wasn't me.
150.
18.
No. Good.
To me, no?
Good, yeah, good.
6, 21. Really?
All right, we got 175 left.
You
This
can
is
do
a-
it.
this is
You
a
can
rough
do it.
one.
You can do it. Number 9, doubling 9.
Hit.
Got on 9, 19 over cards. 16. To me, if only we knew, huh?
If only we knew.
Only we knew. 175. Not bad at all.
All right, we'll leave it out there.
Go again. 13. 13, 16. 20.
175. We'll do 150 and 25 there.
Break
44.
away. 11. 17. No more cards.
Ah.
Sometimes.
All right, we lost this one. But that's great. We're going to start again tomorrow with a new episode. Thank you for watching. X-Man's been our dealer, and we'll see you next time from the MSC MERAVIGLIA.